Hi, I'm Dr. Pallavi Sarji Uthkarsh. Pranayam. What is this pranayam? Pranayam means basically it is an exercise for your prana. That is, prana is your breath. So this is a breath as a tool for your health. Is it just like, only for those yogis? Or this pranayama has any effect on skin and hair health? Yes, if you are looking the safest tool to improve your skin, hair and body health, yes, yoga and pranayama are the most safest tools ever exist. How does pranayama improve your skin or hair health? Here, see, normally we all take breath, right? We are not aware that we are taking breath. Our lungs are automatically tuned to breathe certain number of times. Here I want to quote. See, if you have observed the tortoise, if you have observed the rabbit breathes very fast. Tortoise breathing rate is very less. What they have observed, the one who breathes fast, the rabbit which breathes fast has a very less lifespan compared to the tortoise whose respiratory rate, the breath is very less and it lives longer. From then, see, our ancient knowledge, it evolved like that. Like by reducing the respiratory rate, you can live longer. And also, when you are angry, when you are frightened, how do we respond? Our sympathetic nervous system is activated and we breathe very fast. When we are calm, we breathe very slow. So, when we breathe slow, when we stay calm, our face automatically looks pleasant and radiant than when you are frightened and when you are breathing very fast and when your heart is beating very fast. So, by slowing down the breathing rate, by shifting, always we are in this stressful environment, we are always on the run mode. By shifting from the sympathetic response to the parasympathetic response, we look more calmer, we look more radiant and we look less aged. So, pranayam has all this effect on your skin and hair health. In pranayam, we regulate how we breathe, how much air we take and how many times we breathe. When we shift to the sympathetic mode, or often we breathe from our chest and we breathe very fast. In pranayam, in relaxed breathing, we use often our diaphragm, which is one of the very important muscle in our body. We speak about so many muscles. We talk about abdominal muscles toning, we talk about toning of our biceps, we talk about toning of our facial muscles. But we need to tone our diaphragm, which is a very important muscle. If you want your healthy skin, healthy hair, healthy body, you have to do a diaphragm workout, and that is the workout or a breath workout. It is called pranayama. So how to do it? It is very simple, but I would say you have to do, practice and learn under an expert who can, because initially with all these benefits, I have seen many people going overboard and having adverse effects. So, always do learn any of these breathing exercises or pranayamas under an expert and practice very slowly. How does this pranayam helps? I told you. One is it reduces your respiratory rate and hence increases your lifespan. By doing a right method of breathing, we are doing more of the diaphragmatic breathing, which improves or stimulates the vagal response. Hence, from sympathetic to parasympathetic response, where we breathe more slower, and hence more oxygen gets into our lungs. When every cell is perfused with a good amount of oxygen, there is a purification or antioxidant response is good. Cell gets rid of the impurities. The inflammatory response comes down. When cells are healthy, no matter whether it is a skin cell, whether it is a hair cell or any cell, the cell will start functioning better. So, of course your skin will glow. Of course your hair health is better. Of course your well-being will improve. Yes. So, pranayama does improve your skin and hair health.